Dustin Glenn C. Cuevas, gold medalist and magna cum laude.
Please welcome Dustin Glenn C. Cuevas, BS Civil Engineering, for the valedictory address.
To our honorable guest speaker, Secretary Fortunato T. de la Peña, to the President and Chief Executive Officer of Mapua Institute of Technology, Dr. Ronaldo B. Vea, to the Board of Trustees, to the school administrators, to the esteemed deans and professors of different schools and departments, especially to our dean and professors in the School of Civil, Environmental, and Geological Engineering. To our dear parents and loved ones, and most importantly, to my fellow graduates, a wonderful afternoon to you all. First of all, I would like to commend all the graduates for a job well done. From being scared frosh students taking exams in Math 10 or Math 12, to all the hashtag Road to PICC posts on our social media accounts, we are now here wearing our togas, ready and well-equipped to take the next step in our lives. But the road to PICC was never easy. All of us must have experienced saying, ang tulog nababawi, pero ang 5 hindi. Our stay in the Institute taught us that we need to set our academic priorities and do our best in every way we can. We all have different stories and experiences throughout our stay in the Institute. In my case, my mindset before I entered Mapua was just to get a passing mark and graduate after 4 years. That time, I was ready to say that famous line, "Tres lang sapat na." But then, I did differently. Why? The moment that I had high grades during my first year, first term, and I saw the smile on my mother's face, and I heard the proud voice of my father, it was priceless. I knew at that moment I had found my inspiration to do my best in each and every subject. I admit it was never easy. I challenged myself to get a mark beyond the passing grade of each subject. And I succeeded. I maintained to be an academic scholar from that moment until I graduated. I know that we all have our inspiration for being here today. Keep that inspiration in your heart as it fuels you to achieve higher goals. As of today, we have been successful in achieving one milestone of our life. We graduated from Mapua, and from my perspective, we should be proud of ourselves. All of us really worked hard to be here today. Some of us had failed difficult subjects, or even the correlation exam. But truthfully, I salute those of you, despite the hardships of college life, you chose not to give up, but rather kept moving forward. Sa mga bumagsak at ngayon po ay nandito na, saludo po ako sa inyo. You found the value of those failures and use it as a tool to learn more. And for that, I admire you for not losing sight of your goals. In my 4-year stay, I learned to find a better half. No, it's not what I mean. You don't need to find a girlfriend or boyfriend right away. Of course, it will be arrogant if I'm pertaining to my girlfriend. But no. Each letter of half stands for a word. H stands for hope. Mapua taught us to hope for a better future. To never lose hope even if you failed. Because if that hope runs out, chances are you will fail. A is for acceptance. Accept your weaknesses and don't be afraid to work on it. It is normal to have weaknesses and fears. Embrace those weaknesses, and from there, you must decide to make a change. In Mapua, I learned that not doing anything is a much bigger regret than trying and failing. Always remember that those who accept their weaknesses can have the power to overcome it. L is for love. Love is where to find inspiration. It can be found anywhere. It can be from your family, friends, girlfriend or boyfriend, and also love can be found in your passion for your work. I learned that you need to love what you're doing so that you can give your 100% effort and you will not have any regret after. F is for faith. I learned to have faith and to believe in myself. If I don't believe in myself, how can I make others believe in me? Most importantly, faith means believing in the Almighty God that He will help and guide us in every choice that we make. 10 years from now, I hope that when we look back, we will always remember the lessons we gained that may not be found in the curriculum. Well, for me, it's my better half. Hope, acceptance, love, and faith. Now that we graduated, it's time to face the real world and think about our future. Maybe some of us will find ourselves working in a company, starting your own business, or even solving the problems of society. Contrary to the negative impressions of other people about our generation, I believe that millennials have the ability to contribute for the betterment of our society. One time, I was asked during an interview to express my thoughts regarding the young people from our generation to go after easy and instant activities. The interviewer said that we jump from one job to another and we tend to resist hardships. However, when I answered, I strongly disagree because I know that our generation only wants everything to be efficient. We want to look for a career that will provide a sense of fulfillment. And as Mapuans, we have that burning passion to continue learning because we are fueled by our curiosity. If Naruto has his ninja way, we have our Mapuan way. This time, let us appreciate and give thanks to those people who help us build and empower our Mapuan way. Our mentors, professors, advisors, especially to the School of Sege, who taught us not only technically, but about their experiences in the workplace. Our organizations that taught us the value of leadership and teamwork. Our friends who were with us when we procrastinated for a project, when we reviewed overnight at the Corion or any coffee shops. My CE batchmates who ran with me on October 7 to finish filing the waiving of theses. My girlfriend, Laris, was always there to inspire me. Our thesis advisor, Engineer John Paul D. Carion, who guided us in our research and gave time and effort to screen all the thesis papers. My scholarship sponsors, Mr. Alfonso Ciso Petran of NAUMA Scholarship Program, Mr. Nisisto Saitenko of Philchai Scholarship, for helping me finish my degree. And our parents and loved ones, these people who invested so much in us, for their unconditional love and support. I urge you all, my fellow graduates, after the ceremony, to hug them and tell them, thank you and I love you. Allow me to say it to my parents now. Mama, Papa, salamat po sa pagiging inspirasyon ko. Thank you and I love you both. Most importantly, let us give thanks to the Almighty God for making all of this into reality. Before I end, I'd like to say that, fellow graduates, fly high and grab the infinite opportunities that you have. As your batch representative, I expect big things from all of you. Wherever you go, go with all your heart. And always remember that you are a Mapuan. Viva Mapua!